Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my party wings. So first, what we have here, we have some chicken wings with the wingtips cut off. And what we're going to do is add some kosher salt to the top of these. And then we're going to go ahead and get this mixed in. You want to add a light coat because we are going to be using different sauces to get some flavor on these things. We don't want to overdo it with the salt. I'm using a free-range chicken, so they're a little bit smaller than usual, so we should get a fast cook time on these. So after we have our chicken wings salted up, we're going to go ahead and add some of our barbecue rub to the top of these. Again, you don't want to go too crazy on them. What I'm going to wind up doing is pre-selecting the ones that have the most rub and not adding any sauce. So we're going to add buffalo sauce to one, barbecue to the other, and we'll have one that's sauceless. So here's my smoker. I have it preset to 275 degrees. As you can see, I have my top grates off so that way I can get my wings in nice and easy on the bottom, and then we'll go ahead and get those grates back in, put them on top, and then we'll layer the rest of the wings. So I'm layering these one by one. Now, as you can see, none of the wings are touching each other. This is important so that way we can get full penetration of the smoke. So because these wings are so small, I had to check these a little bit earlier than normal. So this is about 40 minutes into the cook. And as you can see, the temperature is pretty high with so little time. So if you want to make a fast and easy wing, I definitely recommend you to get the free-range chicken, because they do cook quick. So after about an hour and 20 minutes, I'm pulling off a wing just to check to make sure it's fully cooked. As you can see, it has a nice pink color to it from the smoke. It's fully cooked. Juices are leaking clear. There's no red on the inside from the blood. This is the perfect wing that you want. So what we're going to do now is crank up our heat on the smoker for 10 minutes at 325 degrees to get them a little nice and golden brown, as well as a little more crispy. So here are the final wings pulled off the smoker. As you can see, we got some nice color added to the top of them by cranking up the heat for 10 minutes. And here's just a quick sample of how big they are. So the first batch, we're just adding some hickory sauce and some original barbecue. This is about half a cup. We're adding this to about 10 wings. And we're going to go ahead and get these mixed up. I typically do a homemade sauce, but because I was crunched for time today, I wasn't able to do so. It got late quick. I got home late, so I just use some regular barbecue sauce. The second batch, I'm just, pulling out some wings. They're still really hot. And we're going to add our buffalo sauce at the top. And what I did with this buffalo sauce is I added half a stick of butter to about a third of a cup of buffalo sauce. I mixed that in very well. I let it get nice and cool. And now I'm just, drizzling that all over the top. And we'll get those nice and mixed in. All right, so here's the final product. We have our buffalo wings, we have our unsauced wings, and we have our barbecue wings. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.